Yes, my people, Ackee and Saltfish Sunday here in Connecticut. Alright, so you notice no pepper and no nothing, just did some onion with it because of the kids, you know. And I have some dumpling I set to papa. Have some dumpling. So my son will love this. I think Grayson, him loving fried dumpling. Gia, you know, we'll see what she does. And of course Mama, I think she'll try it a little bit. But this is mostly Christopher. But guys, listen, you know, as I say, every day we get up, we have something to be thankful for. I'm thankful so I can do this. And I make like a rice as well, not earlier. So then can have it, you know, so I'm just grateful, you know. So I'm able to do this for my family. So then at Jamaica, I get up, I wonder how them doing and so. And now my home, you know, my home. I get up today to kill a uniform, get up our little hair done, wash our hair and little and all of that, but I like it here, I miss Kayla, but I like being with the family. So that is it, my people. A little Ackee and Saltfish, some fried dumpling, and a little white rice. I'm going to put in the rice now. As it butter boil up, I put like a salt and water bubble up, like a salt and olive oil. So that's how the thing go. Enjoy your Sunday, guys. Hoping that you're doing something nice to your family as well. And just enjoy it, you know. Every little bit of blessing count for something. You know, when I look for the big old something, I look for the little things. That makes the biggest heartfelt, loving feelings, alright? Take care, be good to yourselves.